Hello, good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a very good weekend. Yippee! It's the final week of remote learning, and as you know, we'll not be having any live sessions the whole of this week. So I have decided to put together this brief greet and meet session so you all can have an insight as to what you'll be doing today. In English, we have put together two comprehension stories. All you need to do is read them both or choose one and read and answer the questions and share the your answers with your parents, with your teacher, with me on Class Dojo later today. And this is optional. It's pretty much the same for all of the subjects. That's why I'm not sharing the worksheets. But if you go through the lesson plans, I have an example here. So try to go through all the lesson plan and just look at specifically what you've been asked to do. For math, you have a task on Education City. It's a brief revision on 2D shapes. I'm going to upload or post that later on Education City so you can have access and get it done. In PSC today, you will be looking at your goals in the future, how you'll be bright learners. We have done that before. I have put in a template to show you how to design a poster telling your teacher what you would like to be when you grow up. This again is optional. In science, if you go through the lesson plan as well, you will find an activity that have asked you to do a design. So basically, the whole of your lessons today is going to be around designing, is going to be a recap, and I am not necessarily expecting you to submit everything. When you go to my portfolios on Class Dojo, you will find a few folders, maybe just one or two folders. Then those are the things I would like to see. I would definitely want to see comprehension. I would want to see how you've been able to use your thinking brain to answer the questions. And that's basically it for today. Since I will not be meeting you at 10, I'm missing your faces already. I decided to drop by to say hi to you, find out how you fared during the weekend. There's a little bit of much of a difference, now, so I'm sure some of you were able to do something other than what you've been doing this past 100 days. Let me know about it when you share your thoughts with me about your weekend later. Please, if you haven't scheduled a time to meet with me yet, remind your parents they need to schedule a time to meet with me. So far, I have only 9 people on my list. So that means I still need to meet with like 16 or 15 more parents. So please try to email me today so I can give you a slot. I still have a few slots available for today, being Sunday, but then you have tomorrow and the day after to get your appointments. Don't forget the costume party Mr. Steve talked about on Thursday. Everybody get ready. We're not in school, but we can still meet visually online and have fun and say our byes and wish ourselves well. So that's that. Take care of yourself. And I'll see those of you that have an appointment to meet with me today on Teams later. Bye.